Welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm explaining about Google Ads tutorial for video ads. But I've seen many times. I say that this is my video. I'll try to play a video. I'm gonna mute first. This is my video. But before I play a video, you can see the ad. Correct, Shashi?
Yes, sir.
So how this ad comes? Like you have a client or else for your own company, you want to do branding like this. How to show your company brand or one particular video on this. Sometimes skip ad or non-skippable ads. How to do that. And sometimes right hand side also in the suggested videos, ad will be there. So how to make a video like this. So in the videos and right side. Sometimes when you open YouTube homepage, here also somewhere while you're scrolling down on the smartphone, even a desktop also, the ad will be there. This is not the one. This will go to the website. I'm talking about the video ad. So how to make these kind of ads to be learning. So whom this will be helpful? Branding, like they have a service like education, hospital, school, college, any restaurant or any tool, any SaaS product. People don't have awareness on that and they want to do branding. This will be helpful. Remember, I'm saying it as a branding. Display network and video network is good for branding. Don't look for immediate sales. Okay. So companies who are looking for a branding, they can use it. Second thing is YouTube channel. You started a new YouTube channel and you want more subscribers because they want to make money. They need minimum 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. They can also run ads. So it doesn't mean that when you run ads, when you pay money to YouTube, YouTube will give you subscribers. No. The problem is, I'll tell you. So here is one of my student video. She made one video and she want to promote herself. So I'm helping in this video, how I'm going to promote. So she asked me like, if I run ads, how many subscribers I will be getting? I can't guarantee because it's not like that you pay money to YouTube, YouTube give you subscribers. What YouTube is going to do is, see, when it comes to her video, she reached only 71 people. When I pay money to YouTube, what YouTube is going to do, when people open their homepage like this here under suggestions, that ad will come, that video will come. So YouTube will try to reach more people. Whether they subscribe or not, it depends on your content. So no one can guarantee that when you pay money to YouTube, subscribers will come. It all depends on your content. Okay. When I spend 2,000, how many subscribers comes? When I spend 1 lakh, how many subscriber comes? We can't guarantee. It depends on the user. Sometimes when you spend less money also, you'll be getting more subscribers because they like the content, they watch till the end, they share the content. Let's see, this is a case study. I'm going to promote this video and let's see how many subscribers increase. I'm going to share in the next video as well. So now I'm going to add the budget. We're going to create a live campaigns. But in this example, I'm going to show you both how to do branding at the same time, how to promote a YouTube channel. Almost it will be same anyway. Okay. But the only thing is, when you're doing a branding, mostly someone playing the video, in the video you should try. But when it comes to channel, you want more get subscribers. It's not good idea to show a video here. It's better to show here so that you'll be getting good subscribers. That let's discuss before that. Right. So if you have any questions, I can put it in a comment so that I'll be replying back. And if you are a student, you want to learn complete digital marketing, come back to ODMT and fill the form. And agencies who want help from me for consulting. So this is my email ID, subhashmangalam796@gmail.com. You can put an email so that we can talk. Now let's get to the video. And now this is the campaign I'm going to create. Before that, video ad, your ad will be video and bidding will be CPV, cost per view. Mostly your ad will appear on YouTube, sometimes websites, apps also, but it is waste. How will you filter the ad? Like to whom you want to show the ad? you can filter by location, age, gender. You can also mention that only these people should see my ad, male or female. And here also I can target keywords. Like people are watching these kind of videos which have the keywords, there only I want to show my ad. Placement, particular YouTube channel only, like assume that there is a YouTube channel called Suman TV Telugu. While people who are watching the videos on Suman TV, then only I want to show my ad. That option also there, that is called placement. So how we're going to use these placements also, I'm going to explain. Right. And you can also remember skip ad, non-skip ad. So most of the time you might have observed while you play a video, suddenly an ad comes. Shashi, do you know after how many seconds skip ad option will come?
5 seconds, sir.
So 5 seconds. So till 5 seconds you have to wait. After that skip ad will appear, then you can skip it. But sometimes there is a non-skippable ad also. Do you know how many seconds non-skippable ad?
I guess 15 seconds.
So it's both 6 seconds and 15 seconds. There are different variations. 6 seconds and 15 seconds. If it is 6 seconds, that is called bumper ad. They named it actually. Okay. So before we go to the video ad, you learn all these things, so it will be very easy for you. So skip ad or non-skippable ad. While you're playing a video, like we did just now. So I'm trying to play this video. Let me pause it. So here also, see, whenever we try to play a video, whenever we want to add, it will not come. Whenever you don't want, it will come. Now here also it's not coming. Here also it's not coming. No luck. Let me try to play. It's okay. So the skip ad option will come, means it will be appearing in the video only, skippable or non-skippable options. So either it is skip or not skippable. This is called in-stream ads. These are called in-stream ads. Means you try to play a video, in the video ad will come. It can be in the starting, in the middle, or in the end. Okay. Among that, after 5 seconds only skip option will come. When come to non-skippable ads, sometimes it can be 6 seconds, sometimes it can be 15 seconds. 15 seconds means after 15 seconds only you can skip the ad. So the 6 seconds one is called bumper ad. Okay. But you know, the crazy thing about this skip ad is how the advertisers will be charged. I'm trying to play this song. Hope we get ad. No, we're not getting ad. We don't have luck yet. No. No, this is crazy. We're not getting any ad now. Leave it. Whenever you see the ad, skip ad option will be coming. So I'm going to tell you when amount will be charged. When you click on skip ad, amount will not be charged from the advertiser. Okay. But when amount will be charged? When you watched that ad for 30 seconds. If you watch that for 30 seconds, then only amount will be charged. But most of the people skip it. Second thing is, while you're watching the skip ad, here option will come like buy now, sign up, no more, call to action button. Click on call to action button and be into the website or app, whatever it might be. Then also amount will be charged. Third, whatever the call to action button will be there, try to observe the ad. Right hand side also same display ad will come related to the same thing only. So click on banner, right side. So whenever one of these conditions apply, then only skip ad option amount will be deducted. Okay. But when it comes to bumper ad, 6 seconds ad, customer clicked on the video, suddenly ad comes, immediately amount will be charged, even though it is 6 seconds. That is called bumper ad. Now you tell me which is good, the skip ad is good or not skip ad, which is bumper ad is good, which is good.
Skip ad is good, sir.
Why?
Because if it won't charge, right? If you watch 30 seconds only, we will.
Right, right. But you know what? Mostly we are doing this for branding asset, right? For the branding campaigns, you really want a good branding, bumper ad is good actually. Why? Because you're trying to play the video. Suddenly the numbers are coming. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then skip ad option. Your attention is on the numbers only. You never see the ad. Then where is the awareness of the product? Okay. And it's very rare that you watch 30 seconds because you came here to watch some video, then you click on this. But when it comes to bumper ad, whenever you try to play the video, suddenly ad is coming, there is no skip option. You left with no option. You have to see the ad only. So that's why for branding purpose, it's always good to go for the bumper ad only. So I can say big companies, they want good branding, they should go for this. But small companies like that, like us, we should always go for skip ad option because we don't have much budget, irrespective whether they saw my ad or not. I want more views. So this will be good actually. But really a big company, when you're working for that, they want real branding. So bumper ad or 15 seconds ad is good. Okay. Right. So this is one segment, in-stream ads. So in-stream ad means while you're playing the video, between starting and ads will come. Second thing is video discovery ads. Video discovery ad will appear while you're playing the video, right hand side, in the suggestions it will come. That is called video discovery ad. So this is very good actually. People who want to increase their subscribers, who want more views, even the small companies, they don't have much budget, they don't want to go for branding, they also go for this one. It's good actually because customer intentionally clicking on this. When it comes to here, he don't want to see your ad, but suddenly it's coming. But when it comes to here, Google is showing the ad. If they like, then only clicking on this. So small companies, you can utilize. It's somewhat expensive as compared to this, but this is good. This is called video discovery. Video discovery ad either appeal right hand side. Sometimes some people searching for something, it can be anything. Then in the suggestions also it will come here. You search something, not this one, guys. This, if I click on this, it will go to the website. But one video suggestion will come here. Both are comes under video discovery ad. Okay, so in-stream ad, and that skip not skip, and video discovery ad. Right. There are few other elements also. Directly I'll be showing you in the campaign. Right, now I'm going to create it. I came to Google Ads. Now I already have campaigns over here. Either I can pause this campaign, I can create it, but what happened? It's a complete mess. I will see their analytics. Instead of that, I'm creating a new account. One Gmail account can create 20 ads account. So new account I'm creating. As I explained in my previous videos, when you're creating a new ads account, it will always go to Express. Express is waste for the experienced people. So don't select anything, switch to expert mode. Now here, first you have to create an account, right? So create an account without a campaign. Then yes, my new account, I want to increase subscribers to her. So she's based in India only. So India, time zone India, currency India. Done, campaign, this is the campaign. So I have to remember this ID or else I can give a name. So I'm giving the name here. So under setup, preferences, and account name, I'm giving a name like My Way Clients. I'm refreshing so that that name will reflect over here. So my way client. Now let me create a campaign, new campaign. Create a campaign without a goal. Now video campaign I'm selecting. So try to read this. Create video ads that are designed to increase reach and awareness, encourage engagement, or drive conversions. I told you, right? Skippable, non-skippable, video discovery, these are all comes under custom video campaign. All options are available. But even bumper ad, 6 seconds ads are available. But 15 seconds, you want to create a 15 seconds ad, you have to select this option, non-skippable 15 seconds. Okay. And outstream nothing but here this is phones and tablets. You want to run your ads only on the phones and tablets. Separately, they created that is called outstream. Okay, but here this one, it will appear both laptops and phones. But you want to reach people on their phones and tablet using waiting with outstream. Okay, drive conversions, like because of this video campaign, you want to bring more conversion. They added separate. All these things you can do with these guys. Not required, but they separated. A 1 year back, these options were not available. Finally, one more thing, ad sequence. Ad sequence is nothing but based on your brand, you can create series of videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whenever you're targeting the ad to particular customer, first time, like your plan 1 video will come. Like what is digital marketing? Second time, why digital marketing? Third, career and digital marketing. Such a sequentially it will come. By the end of the day, customer will be getting a knowledge on your product. So tell your story by showing ads in a particular sequence to individual viewers with a skippable in-stream, non-skippable and bumper and a mix. Big companies will use that. So you blindly select this option, custom video campaign. Continue. Campaign name, My Way campaign. Just the name. You see, a bid strategy is max CPV. Remember, when I click on drop down, there are two options here, max CPV or target CPM. Both options are there. Okay. So remember this, again, I'll come back to you in the next section of the video. But here I want to increase my views. That's why I'm going for this, not the CPM one. So select the max, by default, max CPV only. It's okay. Next, budget. So here there are two options, daily budget and total budget. Generally, in a search campaign, display campaign, daily budget option will come. I don't know, only for this, they give you total budget also. Okay. If you know your total budget, mention, otherwise it's better select daily budget, how much you want to spend. So I want to spend 2,000 rupees. And if you want, you can select start and end date. It's up to you, not mandatory. Now we clearly mentioning where your ad will appear. Someone searching on YouTube, but remember, we're not targeting any keywords. Someone searching randomly, ad will appear. In the YouTube videos, someone playing the videos, there my ad will appear. Video partner on the display network. Sometimes your ad will appear on the partner websites. Like there is a blog, there is a possibility sometimes here also will appear. I don't want this. It's waste. At the time, I can block this. Even you don't want it, search results, you can block it, but it is good only. So I'm targeting YouTube search results and YouTube videos. Location, where you want to target. So especially the video was in Telugu. So I want to target the location is Hyderabad. Either I can target Hyderabad. Now some other places also I can target if you want. Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, Kurnool. So series of places where people speak Telugu. Now here languages, select the languages your customer speaks. So mostly that video is in Telugu. So I want to select Telugu speaking people. or else I can target both English and Telugu also, but especially in this video, I want to target Telugu people only. How does Google know that people speak Telugu? Based on the browser settings. People select the browser settings on the Google. Oh, so you see the settings. So there are many options here. Here settings is there. Settings, setting, languages. Now if I select Telugu, my complete things will be in Telugu only. So there are different languages here. So based on the settings, they will target. Based on your history also. Right. Now remember, there is this option called inventory type. You can ignore this, but for your knowledge, I'm telling you what is inventory. By default, on YouTube, you have different kinds of videos, right? Prank videos will be there, education video will be there. Sometimes adult content also there. But by default, your ad will be appearing on the videos which are standard. There is no such kind of sexual content will be there. Okay. So exclusions, these are all excluded. But when it comes to this here, there is a possibility some kind of that content will be there. If your product is like that, they can select them. Otherwise, just leave it. Now, add videos related to your video ads to help increase engagement. This is extra option. If you want, you can use it. Otherwise, leave it. What is that? This means, I'll tell you. So, seems I missed her video. Let me open her video. Yeah. So this is her channel. Then I'll be opening her channel here. Let's see other videos are there or not. Yeah. So this is 5 minutes. This is 30 minutes. Okay. Now assume that I want to show the other videos also in the suggestions. While the ad is playing, other suggestions also come. So I'm going to show this. Let me show this 30 minutes video. Copy this URL and come back in the related videos. I'm pasting it. See, while this video ad is coming, in the suggestion, it's coming. That's good, right? Now let me add another video also. There is this one, which is 1 minute video. Adding. Done. 2 videos added. You can add up to 5 videos a set. Done. It's nothing but you're increasing your chances. Once you play video, you can see the other video as well. Done. Then additional setting. Again, by default, your ad is appearing computers, mobiles, tablets, and TV screen. If you don't want them, you can filter it where you want it. You can mention only I want to add it on mobile devices. If you want, you can select it. There is an option called only Android or iOS. You can mention that only iOS. If it is Android also, where exactly you want, only in Samsung. That much of customization is there. If you don't want, you can ignore this. Next, so show on all eligible devices. Frequency capping, this is important, guys. Before that, see, ad schedule means complete day your ad will appear, like Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you want customization, you can do it. But frequency capping is a good option. Like now one person is playing the video, suddenly my ad appeared. Skippable ad or video discovery ad. For the same guy only, my ad appear 100 times. So 10 times is enough, 100 times is Not required actually. We're not a big brands to show my ad that many times. That's why you can cap, like you can say that I want to show my ad to person only 5 times, only 10 times. So it's clearly mentioned, limit how many times that ads in this campaign can show to the same user. Cap impression frequency, cap view frequency. Limit how many times that ad in this campaign can show to the same user. Limit how many times that ad can get a view or interaction from the same user. I want impressions. And like mentioning that 10 times per day. On the particular day, he will receive my ad, the impression for 10 times only. And after that, no. Clear, Shashi? What is frequency capping?
Yes, sir.
Later, people ask you. Okay. Ad group, the same name, but here filters are there. Demographics, which age and gender you want to target. So male and female both are fine. Unknown, not to leave it. Unknown means a gender Google don't know actually. She is talking about a celebrity, mostly about the movie news. So 55, 64, this is waste of money. Even 45 also waste. So one are constrained to even 18 to 24 also waste. So I don't know they understand that or not the topic. So 25 to 34 and 35 to 44 I want to target. Now you want to target a parent or non-parent. It's up to you, both are fine. Based on her video content, you should understand. Based on her content, I can say that parents will better understand and they will encourage more this kind of thing than a non-parent. And this is nothing but income level as if I'm living like this. Now, I don't want to filter anything, but while you're doing it, I'm telling you, in this video, I'm not filtering it. Keyword is nothing but we will only show keyword ideas that relate to business. To get ideas, enter your landing page. Like you mentioned something like show my ad on the videos. We're talking about digital marketing. So you can type like this. So while these keywords are there, then only your ad will appear. So this is narrowing your things. When it comes to placement, show my ad only on this particular channel. Like I'm saying that online digital marketing. Now see, when you can see this, there are different channels. Online digital marketing, spelling is there. See, my channel is coming. So in these videos, ad will appear. If you want, you can do like this also. Or else particular videos, show my ad on the particular video also, you can do it. But I'm not filtering it. I'm just giving it to the Google. Google will take care of this. Now there is an option of topic also, where you want to show the ad, like arts and entertainment channels, auto and vehicles, finance, games, health. Okay. Again, here also I'm giving it to Google, but if you know specific thing, you can filter this. Everything is done. So again, one coming back, I created a campaign name, max CPV, my daily budget. I targeted a location and I selected Telugu language, inventory by default. I added related videos as well, so that I'll be getting more views for other things. Devices by default, frequency capping, one person seeing my ad for many times. I don't want it. So I put a frequency cap over here. Ad schedule all days. Okay, by default, the option is there. I didn't add anything, I think. And here demographics, age and gender, I filtered. Keywords, if you want, you can do it. If not, leave it like this. Placement, you want only on particular YouTube channel, you can mention like this. And bidding, how much you want to pay. This you will come to know once the campaign started. Okay, I say like want to pay 5 rupees per view. One view I want to pay 5 rupees. This is the max CPV. Google, based on the competition, it might take 1 rupee, 2 rupee, or maximum of 5 rupees only. Just here, your maximum CPV, cost per view bid, is the highest amount you are willing to pay for someone to view your video ad. Once the campaign is done, in the next video, I'm going to show you how much they charge. Then we really come to know what is the proper one. Finally, video ad. Remember, when it comes to search ad or display ad, ad, you have to create the ad, whether the text ad, whether the image ad. When it comes to video ad, you don't have to create it. But mandatory thing is your video should be ready and that should be uploaded on YouTube. Means you should have a YouTube channel first. Okay. Or else if you're working for a client, your client should have a YouTube channel. When it comes to me, I'm uploading my client video, my student video. So she has already YouTube channel and the video is published. Take that video and paste over here. That will become ad. So this is 5 minutes video. I'm copying this URL and come back here, paste it. That will become an ad. Now, when it comes to this thumbnail, whatever the thumbnail she mentioned, the same thumbnail will come. If you want, you can have a custom thumbnail as well. Now here, it is asking what kind of ad you want. You want skippable, in-stream ad, or bumper ad. You can see this bumper ad is not activate. Can you tell me why, Shashi?
Because we didn't said that we didn't we have kept 5 minutes, right?
So you're thinking that because the video is not 6 seconds. So
Yes,
in order to qualify for bumper ad, it has to be 6. That is one reason. One more thing is, if you want to qualify for bumper ad, initially you have to select the you just here. Okay, a bumper ad is okay. You mentioned here, but the main thing is you have to select a maximum CPV bid. Here instead of CPV, if you mention CPM, then that will be available. Now, if I change this, everything will change. But let's try this. Target CPM done. Now, if you scroll down, see bumper ad option is activated. So irrespective of that, bumper ad is done. But now it will things. Now it is thinking. So choose a video that 6 seconds or less. Now it is telling. But make sure that if you want to run a bumper ad, here you have to select the target CPM method. Because nobody view it, it's impression only. Now I am doing a max CPV. Coming back here. Let's see. Right. Now whether you want skippable in stream or in feed video. Let's see. So this is video discovery ads. So they changed it. Google keep on changing things and we have to keep on learning. Video discovery ads are now called in-feed video ads. In-feed video ads can appear on YouTube search results, next to related videos, or on the YouTube homepage also. They invite users to click on a thumbnail consisting of an image and some text to watch the ad. Yes, I want this. If I select skippable, see your ad will be like this. While they're playing the other videos, then your ad will be coming. This is good for the big companies, as said, for branding. But here I'm looking for the good views and good subscribers. That's why I'm selecting the in-feed video, which is video discovery ads. Now someone searching something, it will come, or in the right hand side on the second, let's say this desktop, on the suggestions also my ad will appear. Okay, thumbnail by default, whatever they mentioned, that only I mentioned, or else I can select something like this so that your thumbnail will be like this. But I'm using by default her thumbnail. And headline, here you have to give headline and description 1, description 2. So I'll see her video. Mostly whatever she mentioned, the title, description, same thing, try to use it so that it will be relevant. But I don't know these special symbols are allowed in the ad or not. So that's why I'm reviewing them. All the special things I'm removing it. See, encounter RGB, it's coming. Next, description. Also, what are the descriptions she used? I'm gonna use, she didn't use description. description. Right. You can elaborate, but here I'm just going with the short one. This is the ad name. You can put any name, and one is enough. So max CPV, because we changed, it's changed 5. Done. Clear, Shashi?
Yes, sir.
If some company comes, you can do this, 2 things actually. Now, if you want to do a branding, you can do a branding, or else if they want to increase the subscribers also, you can do it, right?
Yes.
So you can do like this. Everything is fine. Create a campaign. See, when you appear ads, as said in a search network also, your ad will be disapproved if you use too much capital letters, a trademarks. Here also the same thing. This doesn't meet editorial guidelines. What they said, punctuations and symbols. So these are all not allowed. So I'm going to change that in the ad. And I'm changing that. Here. And next, let's say. So the emojis, these are all not allowed. Done. It's perfect now. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. November 23rd, today it will start. Targeting Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Kurnool, Telugu people, and max CPV method, standard inventory, 1 ad group, 1 ad. Create campaign. That's it. I'm going to add the budget, and in the next video, I'm going to show you how this performed. But they have to approve the ad. Actually, it's not approved yet. It's under review. A real person from Google, they review the ad, and if it is done, our ad will be live. Okay. Then in the next class, I'll show you, because of our promotions, how many views she got, how many subscribers we got it, and cost per view, how much they charged. Everything I'm going to show you. So conclusion is, you want to do a branding, you can choose 2 campaigns. One is display campaigns, one is video campaign. Big companies can go for skippable ads and non-skippable ads. If it is a small company, it's better you can go for a video discovery ad, which is showed in this video. So if you have any questions, you can put it in the comments so that I try to answer your questions. At the same time, if you want to take a training, come back to ODFT website and fill your details. I'll get back to you. And if you have a website or app looking for promotions and consulting, you can send me an email. Thank you very much, guys.